This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into Roblox and confirming your account age and verified email so privacy options appear correctly. Once signed in, go straight to Settings, then Privacy and Security. This is where friend, chat, and content controls live. Make sure to enable two-step verification and set a strong, unique password to prevent unauthorized changes. Also link a recovery email or phone. This prevents lockout and secures your privacy choices as you continue to adjust detailed controls. Next, focus on communication and interaction limits. Open chat and friends settings and change who can message me, who can chat with me, and who can join me to friends or no one depending on comfort. This reduces unwanted contact. Restrict trade and party invites and consider disabling private one chat if safety is a concern. If managing a child's account, toggle account restrictions on to automatically limit age-inappropriate experiences. This makes moderation consistent and helps prevent accidental exposure to risky content. To finish, review the privacy summary and save every change, then test settings with a secondary account or a trusted friend to confirm behavior. If settings don't appear to apply, clear the app or browser cache, update Roblox to the latest version, and reboot your device. Many sync issues resolve that way. If problems persist, gather screenshots and your account ID. Then contact Roblox support for help. This gives them the details needed to investigate and restore correct privacy controls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.